In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the official All-Star Tower Defense X Discord server. So let's get started. So firstly, open up Discord, launch Discord and log into your Discord account. So once you're done with that, and what we're going to do on your Discord here, click on your left side here, you will see an option called a plus icon. That's where you add a server. Okay, click on that add a server option here. So click on it, and then from here, what you're going to do is underneath you will see an option called join a server. So click on join a server. Okay, and then here under the invite link here, so what we're going to do is you're going to type in All-Star, and then click on the join server option here. Once you hit on join, and there you go, you will be officially joined to the All-Star Tower Defense Discord server here. So as you can see, you are now part of the server. So you can simply close this, and that's the server here. You can start browsing and using this server, and that's basically pretty much it is. It's a very easy and straightforward process.